On your mark, get set, go! Nice swing, James. Good climbing, Sophia. Come on, Sophia, you got this! Well done, James. Your best time yet.
Let's race again.
Come on, Sophia. We've been racing all morning. And I've got to walk Rex. Fetch the stick, boy!
Have fun.
What's the matter, Sophia?
No matter how much I practice, I'm just not getting any better.
Well, the Royal Obstacle Course can be tricky. When I was a boy, it took me a long time to get the hang of it.
So you know how to do it? Maybe you can help me.
Well, I suppose I could show you a thing or two.
That'd be great, Dad.
Rolly, look! I found a stray cat in the castle.
Huh? Sorry, I'm really allergic to...
Allergic?
I can't be around cats or I start to sneeze.
Oh, sorry, Rolly.
Huh?
Well, I better go catch him.
Yeah, maybe we can find him a nice home. Someplace far away from here.
Oh, of course. Here, kitty, 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 kitty.
Are you okay, Dad?
Yes, now that cat is gone. All right, let's do some obstacle coursing.
Hi, Daddy. Would you like to play some blazing badminton with me?
Oh, I would love to, Amber, but I'm helping Sophia with the obstacle course right now.
He's trying to help me beat James.
Oh,
And I'll be happy to play with you after. Okay, Sophia, the key to swinging across the moat is getting a good running start. Like this.